Hi guys, my Hi guys, I'm Itchya and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna talk about one of my favorite topics, which is sunscreen. So first of all, talking about sunscreen, I have talked about sunscreen a lot before as well. I've made a video a year ago, in the middle as well, and with every new product that I get to use, I like to make a new video on sunscreen because I just feel like we need to keep ourselves updated. Yes. Now moving on, as I say, we're going to talk about these beautiful Sunplay sunscreens. So these you can see by the color itself. One is this white one with the golden cap and this other is this pink one. They're both the same brand. However, one is for combination skin type where the other one is for normal to dry skin types. So we're first going to talk about the Perfect Whitening Clear White Aqua sunscreen. And the best thing about these sunscreen is that it's very hydrating. Both these sunscreens are very hydrating, and if you are the kind of person who doesn't like that sticky chip feeling on their face after you wear sunscreen, then keep on watching. So first we're going to talk about the Sunplay Skin Aqua Clear White Sunscreen, and to do that you have to shake it before you use it. I was going to say bake it, but anyway, shake it before you use it. And the best thing about this sunscreen is that the consistency, it's really nice consistency. It's non-sticky, and this sunscreen is water resistant, and I have applied it today. And if you want to use it as a makeup base, also it's really amazing. I don't like sunscreens that feel very oily to the skin. However, if you have really dry skin, this pink one right here is really good for you. We'll get on to that. So talking about the sunscreen, I made some pointers. The Aqua technology provides moisturizing water supply to the skin while maintaining natural moisture. And not just that, this sunscreen helps you from the trans-epidermal water loss up to 12 hours. Even though it controls oils, it also provides a moisturizing base. So it's really, like I said, it's really good as a makeup base or as a primer. You can even mix it with your foundation. If your foundation is very high coverage and you want a little bit more lesser coverage foundation, then you can definitely mix this with your foundation. Not just that, this sunscreen, I made some notes, it also reduces the trans-epidermal water loss up to 12 hours. So it helps, what it does is when it does that, it helps you, protects you actually from sunburn, dry skin, any kind of flaky skin when you're wearing sunscreen. Sometimes when you wear sunscreen, you also get a white film on your face. It does not let that happen. So I would really suggest you guys to try this sunscreen. And another great thing about this sunscreen is that it contains high volumes of vitamin C and B3, which helps you from sunburn, protects your skin from sun damage. Another great reason to use this sunscreen. And ending it on a good note, this sunscreen does not have alcohol. That means it is really good for a sensitive skin as well. You don't have to worry about it. Although, like I said, with all products, you should test your products on the skin. However, this does not have alcohol, so it is great for sensitive skin as well. So guys, what are you waiting for? You can get this sunscreen available at many cosmetic stores around Kathmandu, Nepal, and also at your supermarket, Bhatbhateni. I've seen this there. I got one from there, so yeah. Last but not the least, this sunscreen is easily absorbed into the skin. As you can see in the montage shot, it's just like, ooh, it's gone. And it has a really nice brightening effect on the skin, which is amazing. And now we're gonna move on to our next sunscreen, which is the Skin Aqua Silky White Gel. And this is great if you have dry skin, and we're gonna see why. Now, sunscreen plays a very important role. As you know, one of the biggest aging factors that makes your skin sag, looks dull, dry, ages you is the sun. That is why you need a good sunscreen to protect yourself. So these two are really amazing with the highest levels of protection, which is the PA+++. Now we're talking about the pink bottle, as you can see, the Silky White Gel. It is a gel-based formula, and it is really good for normal to dry skin. So if you have dry skin, this is a really good one. If you have a combination skin, you can go for this. And sensitive skin, they're both good for sensitive skin. This also does not have any alcohol in it, so hence you can also use it if you have sensitive skin. And this contains green tea extract. So as you can know, we've studied a lot. We know a lot that whenever you feel bloated or some kind of calmingness type of face, now if your skin feels very inflamed, you kind of use green tea extract, so green tea bako. So this one has green tea. So if definitely you're having a lot of dryness and dryness pain or inflammation or sensitive skin in general, this is also a really good sunscreen for you. And another thing, I usually look into products are its fragrance, and this Sunplay, the pink one, which is for normal to dry skin, it also has a beautiful fragrance, and that's actually not an extra fragrance that you apply. It's actually from its natural ingredients that it is infused with, hence the really nice scent that you can smell while you're applying this, and you're smelling good, protecting yourself from the sun. I don't think we need anything else more in a sunscreen. So once again, guys, recap, so you guys remember, the white bottle with the golden hat top is for combination skin, whereas this one, the pink one right here, is for dry to normal to dry skin type. Both of them do not have alcohol. They're alcohol free, which means they're amazing for sensitive skin. Price wise, funny, they're amazing. Now talking about the sizes as well, they come in two different sizes. One is a bigger bottle, this one, and they also come in tiny ones like this one. So depending on, if you're first time using it, you can try these ones, and you can get the bigger bottle. Moving on, but honestly, these both are really, really good as a makeup base, as a makeup primer, and they're non-sticky because I've tried it and you can see it doesn't shine through your skin, and you don't want that stickiness feeling and looks of that greasy chillo pans they face. Then definitely these are one of the good sunscreens. All the prices and details will be listed down below under this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do enjoy watching this video, and if you want to see more videos about such good products that I keep on finding, you can give us a like, share, and a subscribe, and keep loving us. Bye.